making some decorative stuff. Let's make a hanging bird, which you can use for decoration. So let's take a sheet of paper, keep the white side up, turn it sideways that you have a corner pointing upwards. Now fold the top side to the bottom. Now the top corner has come over the bottom corner. Press the sides, open it. You have a center line here. So fold the top corner to the center line, beginning to fold from the right corner. You have folded it from the right corner. Now fold the bottom corner, but do not start folding it from the right corner. Start folding it from the left corner and bring it to the center line. Your paper looks like this now. Now fold this top corner to the center line, beginning to fold from the left corner this time. Great. In the same way, you have to fold this bottom corner, beginning to fold from the right corner, bring it to the center line. That's it. Now all you have to do is fold this bottom side to the top side, and the paper gets folded into half and in the shape of a triangle. Let's press all the folds. Having done that, fold this top end to the base of the triangle. Lift it like this, and you have another triangle on the top. Now fold this left side to the right. The fold will be made just a little before this tip. Fold it like that in a slanting way, and then make a mountain fold. So this left side tip has come to the top side now, and the fold is made a little before this tip. Now you have to fold this right side tip now. For that, you need to make a mountain fold somewhere here at where this tip ends, like this. And this right side comes behind the left side fold, like this. Now you have made a loop in the center. So we now have to bring this tip in between this loop. Just to help us, we will first make a fold like this, and now insert this in between this loop and just pull it very gently. Now just pull this tip a little so that you form a knot in the center, and you have two ends here. So the left side will have an inward fold to form a beak. So just fold it, unfold, and you have to push it between two flaps. When it comes in between like that, you have an inward fold. So you formed a beak. Now that you have made a beak, your bird is ready. All you need to do is hang it all along. Just stick it along some thread or cord or whatever, and I'm sure it's going to look very pretty. You can make some out of different colored papers and stick them something like this. You've got flowers of different colors and different varieties. Together, they can be gifted as a bouquet or simply be put in a vase. Now what makes it interesting is, it doesn't need any water and does not wilt very easily. So that is something which is going to motivate you to make lots of colorful flowers like that. So bye-bye for now. I'll leave you with that happy note.